Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to guide you through the process of showing and hiding rulers in Figma, a fantastic tool for interface design. To begin, make sure you have the Figma application open on your computer. Once you're in your project, locate the main menu situated at the top left corner of the interface. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate to the View option, and within that submenu, you will see an option labeled Rulers. Selecting this will toggle the visibility of the rulers in your workspace. For a quicker method, you have the option to use a handy keyboard shortcut. Simply press Shift+R on your keyboard, and the rulers will appear or disappear instantly, streamlining your workflow. That concludes our tutorial on how to easily show or hide rulers in Figma. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel for more insightful tips and tricks to enhance your design skills. Your support is truly appreciated, and it helps us bring you more valuable content. Thank you for tuning in.